Welcome to the Metro Community Forum, designed to help Metro users like you share, collaborate, and inspire other users through this interactive community. You can choose from several specific categories, including asking questions and requests you may have for Metro. To begin, click on a forum you would like to enter. The forum will list related topics, and you can subscribe to receive email alerts when new topics are added to this forum. To add a new topic, click the Start a New Topic button. You will then need to enter a subject. I'm looking for revenue generating ideas for September. Then, enter the message you would like to share in this topic. Please share any revenue generating ideas you have for September. I'm looking for great designs and art too. You can also choose to upload a file. Next, click the Preview Topic button to preview and review your topic. If you need to make any changes, you can click the Go Back button, or if it's okay, click the Post button. Your topic is now posted for all Metro users to read and reply.